Hello YouTube, this is Sammy from Birmingham, UK, the second biggest city of UK. So we haven't been to the city center for a while and decided to start our first YouTube video just showing you the city center itself. I went to the city on December 5th 2020, just after coming out of the lockdown, with me and my lovely wife Nabila. So the first thing you should be seeing in the city center is the bullring area. This is the bull, by the way. It's quite famous and a lovely photo spot as well, especially for Instagrams. And then we knew Debenhams were shutting down and tried to see if we could get some nicer deals. The last minute closed down sale, but I don't think Nabila could find anything really nice. So then we decided to head out because we haven't been to so many places in last few months over the lockdown, over the whole year. Now it's Christmas time already, and we headed out of the BULLRING market and got to this monument, the cathedral, and took some photos in front of the lovely Christmas tree, and then headed towards the indoor market. By the time we were heading there, it was already on the verge of closing down for the day, so I didn't spend much time there, and then headed for the Chinatown. The Chinatown looks lovely. We haven't been there. Took some photo inside, but got really nothing in terms of foods to eat or dine in, because dining isn't allowed at this time of the year. So we found this lovely Christmas tree. You could go through this, and then we're thinking of getting some food because we walked so far, pretty much the whole town. And then, but before we head out for home, we really needed to see the Paradise Circus. The whole area has been revamped, and the new tram is there now, which wasn't there before. Tram is coming to the Victoria Square and the town hall. So we decided to see the Paradise Circus. There were protests going on around, and this lovely Paradise Circus is now open for public, and it's probably not finished yet, but in a few days it will be, and will be surrounded with different offices and places to sit and mingle. It's going to be a nice place. And then we headed back to New Street. Felt like eating something from the Grand Central, something Vietnamese or Chinese. So took this alley through the Paradise Piccadilly Circus and ate some dim sum. And then it was time to head back home. After walking 3 or 4 hours, we parked our car in the NCP, so we were heading back there. And that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video then, and till then, stay safe.